to my channel. My name is Deekshita and I'm from Uttarakhand. If you are seeing this face for the very first time, then please don't leave without subscribing to my channel. So today I'm doing a Miniso haul. For all those who don't know, Miniso is a Japanese brand which is anything and everything under one single roof. You can get products ranging from skincare items to makeup products to everyday use home utility products. Then you will get things like sunglasses, cups, mugs, bottles, hats. You can get everything there, and believe me, everything is very cheap and looks so cute. मैं ये वीडियो स्टार्ट करने से पहले एक चीज़ बोलना चाहूँगी. Whenever you go to a store like Miniso, you just get sucked in, क्योंकि वहाँ पे हर चीज़ इतनी ज़्यादा क्यूट लगती है. तो जब भी आप किसी ऐसे चाइनीज़ या जापानीज स्टोर्स में जाते हैं, जस्ट बी माइंडफुल कि आप अपने बैग में क्या आइटम्स रख रहे हैं, क्योंकि बहुत ईजी होता है कि सब कुछ इतना अच्छा लग रहा है कि आप ज़्यादा चीज़ें ले लें, which is not good for your pocket, it's not good for environment and it just leads to consumerism. तो इन चीज़ों का थोड़ा ध्यान रखिएगा, क्योंकि you will just end up spending more and buying things that you don't require. Also saying this, I am going to say that the things, they are very cheap, they look very good, so it's a good store to buy everyday things, ताकि बोरिंग नॉर्मल चीज़ों की बजाय आप थोड़ा सा क्यूट, थोड़ी सी अच्छी चीज़ें खरीदेंगे तो आपको भी अच्छा लगेगा. बाकी ऑल द आइटम्स दैट आई एम गोइंग टू शो यू टुडे हैव नॉट बीन बॉट ऑन वन सिंगल परचेज. आई थिंक मैं वहाँ पे 2-3 बार गई थी और ये उस सब का एक्यूमुलेशन है. इफ यू लाइक दिस वीडियो देन गिव इट अ बिग थम्स अप, सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल, शेयर माई चैनल विद ऑल योर फ्रेंड्स. And now let's just get started. So here I have my big bag of everything that I purchased from Miniso, and they give a bag like this which says Miniso Japan, and I'll just randomly grab things from here and show them to you. I'll also mention all the prices on this screen itself so that you get to see what all I bought and in what prices. So the first thing that I got are these sunglasses. These are black in color. They're quite big and they have this cat eye shape going right here. It's cute, it's very nice, and I'll insert a try on kind of a clip so that you can see it for better. So they look like this on me. I like sunglasses from Miniso. They're cheap, like under 500 you get good sunglasses. They are metal rimmed, like this frame is made up of metal, and so are these supporting thingies. I don't know what they're called. The only problem is that they're a little loose, but it's alright, I can work with it. I think they suit my face. Now the next two things are in mug/tumbler category, like a bottle category. So here I have this coffee mug and this tumbler. So yeah, these are very random products, I guess. This one is this coffee mug. It's transparent, it has a lid, so it's very portable, and if you're traveling and you want coffee or something, like you're traveling to work or anything, then you can keep it in it. And then it has this silicone sleeve to protect your hand. And then the next one is this tumbler. It has a straw with it and this lid, and it's very convenient to drink from. So yeah, I got these. This has the capacity of 400 ml, and I think this one has 480 ml. Now the next thing is one of my favorites from the entire purchase. It's a small wallet. I was looking for a wallet that can fit into my jeans. तो ये इतना ज़्यादा convenient है, like I can keep it on my gym bag, on my fanny pack, on my pocket, या फिर कोई भी पर्स जो मुझे carry करना हो. So I think this is a perfect size. ये ऐसे खुलता है, and then there are 2 compartments. Here I've kept all my cards and all my Aadhaar card and everything, and then there's some cash here. So yeah, I think this is a perfect wallet for me, like the perfect size that I was looking for. And I finally got it on Miniso, and I'm so happy about it. Plus look at the color, I got it in the best color. Like I'm obsessed with yellow these days, and then I got this one in yellow, and it's like too good to be true. But there's a slight problem with it. I don't know if you can see, but there is like this bluish greenish print on it. I don't know, I think this is some kind of a defect. Next 2 items are like my everyday use की चीज़ें. ये just मेरी ख़त्म हो गई थी and I am stocking up on them. I got this set of, I guess 200 or 180 cotton pads, and I think the quality is very nice. Plus this is like the cheapest cotton pads that I ever got. So these are like for 190 rupees, तो almost like 1 रुपये का एक pad. और पहले से जब मैं नाइका से लेती थी तो आई यूज टू गेट लाइक 200 में 100 पैक. नाउ द नेक्स्ट थिंग आर दीज कॉटन स्वॉप और ईयरबड्स व्हाटएवर यू कॉल देम. Now the best thing about them is that the stick, ये stick जो होती है, this is made up of paper and not plastic, which is why I got them. Now I would urge you to please don't buy cotton swabs which have plastic का डंडा. Please go for ones which have either paper ones or bamboo ones. Ideally even I would like to buy the bamboo ones but I didn't get them anywhere. Next time I'll make sure कि मैं online उनको मंगा लूँ. I am pretty sure Amazon में पक्का होंगे. But yeah, this time I got the paper ones, and it's like a small step towards the environment that we can do, because the plastic consumption right now is crazy. So let's just take small steps to make some changes. Again, this one costs 190 rupees and it has 240 cotton swabs, so it's a good deal. These are like the perfect products to buy from Miniso because they're definitely cheaper than anywhere else. So I got 2 perfumes from there. Now the first one is this Eternal Faith Lady perfume and it looks like this. I like the packaging of Miniso perfumes and I like the perfumes in Miniso in general because काफ़ी cheap prices में काफ़ी अच्छे perfumes मिल जाते हैं. इससे पहले also I got a perfume from there a few months ago and its fragrance is beautiful, but there is this one little problem. The staying power of that particular one is not very much. It just stays on for a couple of hours on me and then it just vanishes. So I hope इसके साथ ये problem ना हो और इसकी staying power थोड़ी अच्छी हो. And then the next one is this Aquarius one. I think there is a range of perfumes जो कि based on zodiac signs है, and I got the Aquarius one. It smells quite fresh, काफ़ी fresh सी smell इसकी, and yeah, it's like this. ये नेल पेंट जैसा लग रहा है वैसे थोड़ा थोड़ा. Like the size is similar to a nail paint. So yeah, it's good for traveling. Like this is good for keeping on my bag, like on my purses, or if I'm traveling, then this is a perfect size. Next, I got this aloe vera gel from there. This is their aloe vera moisturizing essence. It's like an aloe vera series that they have going on, and I love this because of its packaging. Really like the packaging. It's so innovative. इसका जो lid है, ये जो ढक्कन है, ये काफ़ी wooden सा feel दे रहा है, and I think this is what's setting it apart from all other products. इसका जो ये cap है, ये काफ़ी अच्छा लग रहा है. Then there is this pump kind of a system, and you can just take it on and put on the aloe vera gel. Speaking about the gel, ऐसा कुछ मुझे बहुत different नहीं लगा इसमें. इससे काफ़ी cheaper gels हैं which also do the same job that it is doing. इसकी सिर्फ पैकेजिंग है जो कि बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छी सी है. जेल इज लाइक वेरी नॉर्मल एलोवेरा जेल सा है. नेक्स्ट थिंग दैट आई गॉट इज द रेंडमेस्ट आइटम दैट आई गॉट फ्रॉम देयर. और मुझे नहीं लगता मिनीसो जाके कोई ये चीज़ खरीदता है, बट इट इज़ अ टूथपेस्ट. आई गॉट टूथपेस्ट फ्रॉम मिनीसो. तो द सेल्स पर्सन दैट वॉज देयर टोल्ड मी कि कोई एक डेंटिस्ट है, ही इज़ रियली फॉन्ड ऑफ दिस टूथपेस्ट और वो हमेशा इसी को यूज़ करते हैं from Miniso. So I got it just to try it. This is the Miniso No Plug toothpaste and this has chrysanthemum in it, like the flower के essence ऐसा कुछ है. And इसकी packaging reminds me of like Volini gel और Move. उसकी उनकी packaging quite similar होती है इसकी तरह. Next is the only thing जो कि मैं ऐसे ही लेके आई, मतलब जिससे कोई मेरे पास यूज़ नहीं है. I just got it because it looks cute. It is this card holder. इसमें से lips बने हुए सामने से and it looks so cute. This was for 90 rupees or something and I got it just to maybe place it on my table or something because first of all it's of rose gold color and I really like rose gold की चीज़ें and then it looks cute so I just got it randomly. I think there are about just 3 things left now. So next is this pair of socks. These are the anti-slouching foot cover from Miniso. I mostly like to wear socks like this except for when I'm going to the gym. उसके अलावा मैं अपने सारे स्नीकर्स वगैरह के अंदर ऐसे ही सॉक्स पहनती हूँ. इस टाइप के सॉक्स में मुझे सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम ये लगती है कि नॉर्मली ये हील्स वाले पार्ट से दे स्लिप ऑफ व्हेन आई एम वेयरिंग देम. नाउ इस पर मुझे बेस्ट चीज़ ये लगी थी कि ये जो यहाँ पे अंदर से पूरी बाउंड्री में ऐसे कुछ सिलिकॉन का कुछ लगा हुआ है. आई थिंक इसकी वजह से इट वोंट स्लिप ऑफ फ्रॉम माई फुट and it will stay in its position. and if it does, then I'm definitely getting more of these things. Is a makeup related item, and I think this is the only makeup related thing that I got from there. So this is not a makeup product, more of an applicator. It is a set of 4 makeup sponges or puffs or beauty blenders, whatever you call them. So this is like a set of 4 mini makeup puffs, and I think this is their like a line in collaboration with Pink Panther, because here it says कि Pink Panther से related कुछ है. They are all in different shades of pink, and ये काफ़ी soft है. I think मुझे नायका वाले से ज़्यादा soft लग रहे हैं. I'm not sure if it's only me, but मेरे को तो ये काफ़ी ज़्यादा soft लग रहे हैं. I haven't used any of them, तो मुझे कुछ idea नहीं कि कैसे इससे कैसा कितना seamless makeup application रहेगा. But I'm pretty sure that they are going to be quite useful for me. Plus I think the size is very convenient, like for your concealer और इस टाइप की चीज़ों के लिए, क्योंकि ये काफ़ी छोटे से हैं, तो they can like get into every nook and cranny. तो आराम से इससे you can blend your makeup. बाकी तो I haven't used them, so I can't say much कि इसकी क्वालिटी कैसी है and everything. But I think ये काफ़ी सही रहेंगे. Last but not the least, I got a set of 3 scented candles. And I think I got them at 70% off. They were initially for 490 rupees, and then there was a 70% off on it. So then I got it for way cheaper, which is primarily the reason I got them. And this is how they look like. See? So these are in the fragrance Sweet Pea and Jasmine. And yeah, this is how they look like. I got a set of 3. With this we come to the end of the most random haul ever. I'm so sorry if you found it too all over the place or something, but I genuinely got all these items from there, and I wanted to show you. And as I said before, मैं वहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा चीज़ें इसलिए नहीं खरीदना चाहती थी क्योंकि वो मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा क्यूट दिख रही हैं और एनीथिंग. सो आई ट्राइड टू बाय थिंग्स जो कि थोड़ा यूजफुल है मेरे लिए या फिर जो मुझे चाहिए थी. सो या इफ यू लाइक दिस वीडियो देन गिव इट अ बिग थम्स अप, एंड इफ यू आर स्टिल देयर देन यू आर द बेस्ट, and don't leave without subscribing to my channel now. I have a lot of amazing content planned for you. So yeah, please make sure that you subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time.